Magni M16. The Magni M16 is a unique gyrocopter that offers an exciting and adventurous way to fly while remaining safe, reliable, and easy to handle. Made by the Italian company Magni Gyro, this aircraft is designed with a strong frame and excellent flight stability, making it popular with both new and experienced pilots. Unlike a helicopter, the M16 uses an unpowered rotor for lift and a rear-mounted propeller for thrust, which gives it smooth handling and extra safety in the air. It has two seats arranged in tandem, with the passenger sitting directly behind the pilot, allowing both to enjoy clear visibility and an incredible open-air flying experience. The aircraft is powered by a dependable Rotax engine, known for its efficiency and low operating costs, while still delivering impressive performance. The Magni M16 can cruise at about 85 miles per hour, 140 kilometers per hour, and cover distances of up to 300 miles, 480 kilometers. PAL V Liberty. The PAL V Liberty is an extraordinary invention from the Dutch company PAL V, designed to give people the freedom to travel both on the road and in the sky. This two-seater vehicle is part car, part gyrocopter, and it's built to change the way we think about transportation. What makes it special is its dual-engine system. One engine powers it while driving, and the other takes over when flying. On the road, the PAL V Liberty can hit speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour, with an impressive range of 1,315 kilometers, making long drives smooth and enjoyable. Switch it to flight mode, and within just 5 to 10 minutes, it transforms into an aircraft capable of flying at 180 kilometers per hour for up to 500 kilometers, letting you escape traffic and fly directly to your destination. Safety has been a top priority in its design. It meets strict road and aviation standards and even includes advanced safety features like a full vehicle parachute. Stylish, futuristic, and highly practical, the PAL V Liberty is more than just a car or aircraft. It's a complete mobility solution. It represents the future of travel, offering unmatched freedom, convenience, and excitement, both on the ground and in the air. Spaceship Two, also called VSS Unity, is an amazing reusable spaceplane created by the Spaceship Company, part of Virgin Galactic. It's designed to let people experience space travel in a safe and exciting way. The journey starts with Spaceship Two attached to its carrier plane, White Knight 2, which lifts it high into the sky. Once released, the spaceplane's rocket engine fires, propelling it into suborbital space. During this thrilling flight, passengers experience weightlessness and can enjoy breathtaking, panoramic views of Earth from space. After reaching its highest point, Spaceship Two glides smoothly back to a runway landing, combining the excitement of space with the control and safety of modern aviation. This spacecraft represents a big step forward in making space tourism a reality for ordinary people, opening the doors to experiences that were once only available to astronauts. Beyond giving passengers a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, Spaceship Two demonstrates the potential of commercial space travel and reusability in space technology. It's not just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of space exploration, allowing anyone with the opportunity to feel the thrill of flying above our planet. With its innovative design, safety features, and unforgettable experiences, Spaceship Two is redefining what it means to travel beyond Earth. Stratolaunch Talon A. The Stratolaunch Talon A is a remarkable hypersonic test aircraft created by the U.S. aerospace company Stratolaunch to explore the future of ultra-fast flight. Unlike traditional jets, this vehicle is unmanned, reusable, and built to operate at extreme speeds. It takes off in a unique way, air-launched from the giant Stratolaunch Rock, the largest airplane in the world by wingspan. Once released, the Talon A ignites its powerful liquid propellant rocket engine and blasts past Mach 5, entering hypersonic territory where few aircraft have ever flown. What makes the Talon A especially valuable is its modular design, which allows researchers to test a variety of systems, including advanced materials, heat-resistant technologies, and next-generation propulsion. This makes it a versatile platform for both defense and scientific innovation. Its first successful test flight in March 2024 was a major milestone, proving its potential and marking a leap forward in hypersonic research. With reusable design and cost-effective missions, the Talon A opens new doors for future aerospace breakthroughs, from military applications to space exploration. By combining speed, reusability, and adaptability, the Stratolaunch Talon A is helping shape the next era of high-speed aviation. Stratosphera Volatile. The Stratosphera Volatile is an exciting electric VTOL aircraft designed by Italian studio Lazzarini Design, showing what personal air travel could look like in the near future. Built around an ultralight carbon fiber spherical frame, it can carry up to 2 passengers and reach speeds of 250 kilometers per hour. Its 4 double rotors, each powered by dual electric engines, provide smooth, powerful, and precise flight. With a cruising range of about 1 hour at full speed, it's perfect for short trips across cities or nearby regions. While the aircraft is still in the concept stage, the design team is actively developing a working prototype, aiming to bring this innovative vehicle to life. What makes the Stratosphera Volatile truly remarkable is how it combines advanced VTOL technology, eco-friendly electric propulsion, and sleek, futuristic design in a compact package. Its lightweight structure and unique rotor setup promise both agility and speed, offering a new kind of flying experience. Virgin Galactic Delta-class spaceship. The Virgin Galactic Delta-class spaceship marks a bold new step in the future of space tourism. Sleek, futuristic, and highly advanced, this next-generation suborbital spaceplane is designed to make trips to space more frequent, accessible, and exciting than ever before. Building on the success of earlier Virgin Galactic spacecraft, the Delta class has been engineered with major upgrades, including faster turnaround times between flights and a larger passenger capacity. Virgin Galactic Delta-class spaceship. The Virgin Galactic Delta-class spaceship marks a bold new step in the future of space tourism. Sleek, futuristic, and highly advanced, this next-generation suborbital spaceplane is designed to make trips to space more frequent, accessible, and exciting than ever before. Building on the success of earlier Virgin Galactic spacecraft, the Delta class has been engineered with major upgrades, including faster turnaround times between flights and a larger passenger capacity. This means more people will have the opportunity to take part in an unforgettable journey beyond Earth. Passengers aboard the Delta class will soar to the edge of space, where they can experience the incredible feeling of weightlessness and see the stunning curvature of our planet against the blackness of space. It's an adventure that offers not just thrills, but also a life-changing perspective on our world. Vision VTO. The Vision VTO is an advanced quadcopter designed for vertical takeoff and landing, offering a new level of flexibility and convenience in urban air travel. Its design allows it to hover in place, take off straight up, and land precisely, making it perfect for tight city spaces where regular aircraft cannot operate. Built from lightweight yet strong materials, the Vision VTO combines durability with agility for smooth and safe flight. This versatile aircraft can be configured for a single pilot, 4 passengers, or even 6 passengers, making it suitable for personal travel, group transportation, or specialized missions. Its modern avionics and smart control systems make flying easy and stable, even for those with minimal experience. Beyond personal travel, the Vision VTO is ideal for delivery services, surveillance, or any urban mobility needs, showing how practical and multifunctional such aircraft can be. With its futuristic technology, the Vision VTO represents a major step forward in urban air mobility. It's designed to make flying safer, easier, and more accessible, while also opening new possibilities for transporting people and goods efficiently. This innovative aircraft demonstrates how vertical takeoff and landing vehicles could transform the way we navigate and manage life in busy cities, combining practicality, safety, and excitement in one sleek design. VX4. The VX4 is a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOL, developed by Vertical Aerospace to transform the way people move around cities. Designed with a sleek and modern look, it features 12 tilt-rotor propellers that allow it to lift off vertically like a helicopter and then transition smoothly into forward flight like an airplane. With space for 4 passengers and a pilot, the VX4 aims to provide a quick, efficient, and eco-friendly alternative to cars, taxis, and even short regional flights. It's being built to meet the highest safety standards, targeting a cruising speed of about 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour, and a range of up to 100 miles, 160 kilometers, which makes it perfect for daily commutes, airport transfers, or short city-to-city journeys. Pulse Concept. The Pulse concept by Ember Design Ops is a futuristic luxury aircraft that shows what air travel could look like in the near future. Built to celebrate the company's 50th anniversary, this VTOL aircraft can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, then switch to airplane mode for fast, efficient forward flight. Its twin tilt-rotor system on a sleek blended wing body makes this possible, giving it the flexibility to operate in cities or on longer trips. Inside, the Pulse concept is all about comfort and luxury. It has a spacious cabin for up to 5 passengers, with plush seats, large panoramic windows, and even a private bathroom, perfect for executives or travelers who want style and convenience. To make the experience even smoother, the aircraft comes with an autonomous ground vehicle to transport passengers to and from the aircraft effortlessly. The plane is powered by electric motors, and future versions are expected to use advanced solid-state batteries, making it eco-friendly as well as high-tech. With its combination of innovation, luxury, and practicality, the Pulse concept reimagines personal and executive aviation. It blends comfort, speed, and sustainability into one remarkable design, giving a glimpse of a future where flying is fast, effortless, and truly luxurious. X-Bang X2. The X-Bang X2 is an amazing flying car designed to change the way we travel in busy cities. Built by X-Bang Aero, this futuristic vehicle has a sleek and lightweight carbon fiber body that helps it fly smoothly and efficiently. One of its standout features is the option to switch between manual and autonomous modes, so you can either take control yourself or let the vehicle fly automatically. It also includes simple start, return, and landing functions, making it easy for almost anyone to use. Powered by clean electric motors, the X2 is completely eco-friendly and produces no carbon emissions, making it perfect for sustainable travel. It can comfortably seat 2 passengers and is especially useful for low-altitude city flights, like quick medical transport, sightseeing tours, or escaping heavy traffic. Despite being highly advanced, the X2 is designed to fly quietly, blending into urban environments without causing much noise. With its modern design, smart technology, and focus on safety, the X-Bang X2 isn't just another invention. It's a real step toward making flying cars a normal part of everyday life. It combines convenience, innovation, and environmental care to shape the future of urban mobility.